It is, today is what? Saturday? Yeah, today is Saturday. It's not that sunny outside. It's a bit cloudy. But today, what are we doing today? I have to film a try-on haul, I think. And I might just film it today so that I can post it for tomorrow's Vlogmas since it's Sunday and I won't be doing anything really. And then today I want to go to Bath and Body Works because they're supposed to be having their big sale. It started yesterday and everything sold out online already. So I want to go see if they have anything left because I love getting their candles. And I do have a coupon which I need to find because I I picked it up from downstairs, like out of the mail, but I don't see it down there. So I must have brought it up here. So I'm going to look for that so that I can get, I think it's like you buy 3 stuff, you get a free gift, something like that. So I want to bring that and see what they have. And I do want like some soaps. And I saw this girl mention this warm vanilla scent on TikTok that I want to try. So I'm going to do that. But I'm going to check them out. And then, let me see. I don't think I have that much planned for today. But I'll let you know as we go. Anyways, I am gonna grab something to eat and I want to do my makeup and everything so that I can start filming that haul. I want to get it out the way early in the morning so that I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day and so that I don't have to be uploading this vlog too late. But yeah, I'll come back when I'll come back after my shower when I'm doing my makeup. Alright, you guys, so I don't know why it looks so washed out. I think I went a little bit extra with the blush, but I did my makeup and stuff because I want to film a haul today that I'm going to upload tomorrow because it's tomorrow's Sunday. I don't really have much planned and I still want to keep Vlogmas going. And today I'm going to film the haul and then I have to look over some stuff on my computer because editing every day on iMovie, it like fills up your disk space really fast. So I got to clear those out on my hard drive and I have that right here. I'm going to do that after I'm done with the the haul, and then I'm going to work on editing that haul today as well. But yeah, I'm setting up my lighting for the video. If you don't know, whenever I film videos, I usually do it at this desk area that I have right here. So, it's like the best part. So I get the lighting here to film here. And usually I just pull my chair out a bit and I sit like right here so that like I'm not facing the desk. And it usually turns out really great. So I'm gonna work on that. I am using this camera to film it though, because like I said, I haven't been using my DSLR camera much. So I use this camera because it's like easy to maneuver and all that. I'm waiting for my lashes to dry so I can pop them on as well, but I didn't do anything as far as like eyeshadow today. But yeah, let me see, my hair's dried. I just did a high puff. I think I'm gonna wash my hair either tomorrow or Monday. Either tomorrow or Monday. But yeah, it looks nice though. Looks laid. Also, even though I'm going to Bath and Body Works, I love switching up my candles, y'all. This one is one of my faves, hot cocoa and cream. I think I'm gonna switch it with this one right here because this one I love. As you can see, it's almost done, which I probably need to throw out because you're not supposed to be lighting these when they're that low. You guys, so I have been doing the method of putting the lashes underneath my lash line instead of above. And when I tell you, it looks like I have falsies on. Like, it looks so nice because my eyelashes are so curly that it's always been a problem putting the lashes on top of my lash line because they curl in. So I usually have to straighten out my lashes, like, you know, kind of use the lash curler and press down on them so that they kind of straighten, but the lashes never get close to my lash line. So putting it under is nice, and it doesn't take long once I found like the right method of how to do it, but I like it. I really like it. Yeah, so once I get the hang of it, I'm gonna put y'all on. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Alright, you guys, so I finished filming the try-on haul and I folded all the clothes up, put them back to the side. Now I gotta put my room back in order because I moved some stuff around. But all in all, I did. These clothes that I got were really nice. But yeah, I'm gonna take some thumbnail pictures. And yeah, I think, what time is it? It's 1:34. My mom gets off at like 3:30. She should be here by like 4:30. And then we're gonna go to Bath and Body Works, see what they got left, child. I doubt they have much, but I heard if you get some items and you're not happy with the scents, you can definitely go back and exchange them for something better. So I feel like I might do that. If I don't get the scents I want, I'll go back once they restock and get the actual scents that I want. I'm gonna see if that works. But yeah, I'll let you know. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to go to the store now. It's a bit later, but I'm about to go. I'm just wearing a t-shirt. Yo, I found this t-shirt. It was from, you know, Mean Girls when they were doing their little Christmas carol. And I was like, I have to have this. And then I bought these shoes a while ago and I've never worn them. It's like Air Force Ones. But instead of going for all white, I decided to get like some blue on it. And this is how it looks. But I was like, I didn't want to go for the typical all white one. So I got this one and it is so cute. But I've never worn it before. So I'm going to try it on. Anyways, you guys, this is my outfit all together. I just have on a bomber jacket. Not a bomber jacket. I like a puffer jacket. These are the jeans that I got in my last try-on haul from Amazon. And then the shoes. So yeah. Now I just gotta wait for my mom to come. I think she's almost here. Because she's just gonna pick me up and then we go. So yeah. I got the coupons in my bag. So I'm gonna see what I can get today, but it's so late now. It's almost 5 o'clock. I'm just like, Chad, I don't know what's gonna be left. You know? Okay, y'all. So there's Bath and Body Works. I got 2 coupons. I got $10 off, and I also got a free gift one. I don't know if I can use 2, but my mom's coming too, so. Mommy, you want to say hi to the vlog? Hi. He always looks so funny when you say hi.
I don't have time to.
Oh, well, we have to line up or something? Oh, Jesus. Yo, we have to line up. I did not. They're back to doing this? Like, oh my goodness. Oh boy. Yeah, try 15. Oh. Yeah, thank you. Like doing, oh, mini try that one here. Mary Cookie. Hmm. What do you think? Me like that one here. Mm-hmm. Me put it in if you know. Want to try a lotion? I smell. Okay, look at my goodness. Okay. Okay. So we can get it free. Okay. Okay. One. Here's the thing. We get enough. Oh. It's not cool. It's not really good. Are you want to do that instead? Are you have a lipstick? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I got my cart. I got all the free smells so good. All right, you guys. So I am back home, and I think I'm gonna wrap the vlog up here because I need to edit it, and I wanted to go up in like an hour and a half. But let me show you the candles that I ended up getting though, real quick. But this is what I got. So I got the, what's this called? I got the cinnamon sugared pecans. And then I also got the sugared snickerdoodle. Smells amazing. And then I saw some girl was like talking about scents that smell like vanilla. So I got the warm vanilla and sugar body spray, the body cream, and also the shower gel. So I was like, okay, because it smells good. And then my mom got this candle. Actually, this is my candle, but we switched it by accident. But this is the, if it would focus. This is the Give Warmth one. And this one smells really good as well. And then I think she got, so I used the $10 off coupon, and then she got like a free gift, the champagne toast hand sanitizer. And this one smells really good because I have the candle and the body spray. No, hand sanitizer. Oh, okay. But yeah. So my camera's dying, so I'm gonna wrap the vlog up right here, and I will see you tomorrow for another Vlogmas video. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, hit the bell so you know whenever I post. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.